Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Kick. I've been waiting for Xiaomi to release the Redmi AirDots here in India, and just couple of weeks back, they have launched the Redmi Earbuds S, which is an upgraded version of the original AirDots. And today in this video, we will do the unboxing and will tell you how is the performance of these budget true wireless earbuds. So here is the box of the Redmi Earbuds S. In the front of the box we have the model name along with the picture. And then you have some features such as they are IPX4 sweat and splash proof. You get up to 12 hours of playback time with the charging case, and they also work with the voice assistant. At the back of the box we have the box content info, and then we have the MRP here, which is Rs 2399. But they are available for Rs 1799, which I think is slightly more. And these earbuds should be priced under Rs 1500. Now let's open the box and see the content. So in the box first we get the user guide, which has the info about the pairing and the button controls. And then we get these extra ear tips. And then here we have the charging case itself. And inside it we have the earbuds. And just to let you know that you don't get the charging cable in the box. So that's all we get in the box. Now let's look at the earbuds closely. As mentioned earlier, that the Redmi Earbuds S is an upgraded version of the original Redmi AirDots. There are a couple of changes in this, which I will tell you later in this video. Talking about the charging case, it's compact, well built, and also feels premium. But I also noticed that it gets scratched very easily. In terms of battery, the case has the capacity of 300 mAh, which can charge the earbuds up to 3 more times. Now looking at the earbuds, it's similar to the original version. They are in-ear design and very compact. They are also lightweight and feels really comfortable. And the weight of the earbud is just 4 grams, making them the lightest true wireless stereo earbuds. In terms of the overview, you have the 43 mAh battery in each earbud, and in this, you don't get a touch panel. Instead, you have a physical button on both the earbuds. Apart from that, these earphones has Bluetooth 5.0 support. They are IPX4 splash and sweat proof, and the size of the driver is 7.2 mm. And in this upgraded version, you also have the gaming mode, which you can enable by triple pressing the button on the earbud. Now let's pair them with our phone and we'll see how is the performance. Pairing is really easy. Just take both the earbuds out of the case and you will see this blinking LED light. And now search for the earphone in the available Bluetooth device list. So they are paired with our phone, and here you can see the available battery in the menu. These earbuds doesn't have the AAC or aptX support, but instead they come with the SBC codec support. In terms of comfort, like the previous version, they are lightweight and very comfortable to use. I didn't even realize sometimes that I'm using these earbuds. Now let's talk about the most important thing, which is the sound quality. The performance of these earbuds is good. You get the clarity, loud volume, and good connectivity. The sound is punchy, and because of the in-ear design, the noise cancellation is also good. But I must say that I didn't find them heavy on bass. They are just average when it comes to the bass output. But yes, they are perfect for movies and watching videos on YouTube. I have watched a couple of movies and use them regularly for watching YouTube, and they perform very good. And I'm happy with the overall performance of these earbuds. Now coming to the button controls, single press will pause and play music. You have double tap for Google Assistant or Siri. In these earbuds, you don't have the volume control and you can't switch between soundtracks, which is little disappointing. But there is a workaround for that. You can ask Google Assistant or Siri to change tracks or volume. Apart from that, you have the gaming mode, which you can enable by triple pressing the button on the earbud. Once enabled, you will hear a sound letting you know that you're in the gaming mode. In terms of performance, without the gaming mode, you have almost half a second lag, but in the gaming mode, the lag is very low. I have used the OnePlus 7 Pro for PUBG, and with this device, the latency is below 100 millisecond. I have also tried other phones, and with the Samsung S9, there is a noticeable lag even in the gaming mode. I have also tried Poco F1, and there, the latency is very similar to the OnePlus device. So yes, these earbuds are perfect for gaming, especially if you're looking to buy them to play PUBG or Call of Duty on your phone. Now talking about the battery, company claims 4 hours of playback time in one single charge. And during our testing, we got approximately 3 to 3.5 hours of playback time. And with the case, you can also charge these earbuds 3 more times. Now coming to the mic quality, because of the size of these earbuds, don't expect anything extraordinary from these earbuds. You can take calls in stereo, but the other person on the call will hear some echo and disturbance on the call. So the mic clarity is just average. So overall Redmi Earbuds S comes with a good design and build quality. They are lightweight and very comfortable to use. You get decent sound quality and they are perfect for casual music and binge watching. The gaming mode is also an advantage, making them one of the best true wireless stereo earphones for gaming. But that being said, there are few things which I didn't like in these earbuds. First is the charging port on the case. I'm not sure why Xiaomi has included the micro USB port on this device. I was hoping to see a Type-C port in this. Now the second thing which I didn't like about these earbuds is the button on the earbuds. I know some users prefer the button over the touch sensitive panel, but it's really not that comfortable when you press the button while wearing the earbuds. And lastly, the pricing. At Rs 1799, they're priced slightly higher. And Xiaomi should have launched this under Rs 1500. Keeping in mind the price of these earbuds in China is only 100 RMB, which is approximately 1050 rupees. But again, if you're looking for a compact, well-built true wireless stereo earphone for gaming, music and movies, then do check out these earbuds. And as usual, if you like them and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Redmi Earbuds S true wireless earbuds. Let us know if you like them and also do tell us your favorite feature of these earbuds in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off and I'll see you in the next one.